There is this Git error you might encounter whenever you are pushing a project to GitLab, especially while you are using the branch main or any other protected branch for that matter. You might wonder if it's your internet or your setup, but it's not. This error is caused by GitLab own branch protection rules. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it happens and 2 simple ways to fix it. I've created a repository on my GitLab and I want to push a project from my local machine. And here is my project. We have the index.html and we have the static folder, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is basically open the command prompt or the terminal from here, cmd, then I'll go to the, actually not code. I should now git init. I've not initialized git. After initializing the git, I need to add everything. Git add, and now git commit first project. Okay, it has been pushed to master. However, I want to work with main. You can see that this is master. I want to work with main so that the error can be generated from here. Git branch main, and then I'll check out on that branch. Git checkout main. Okay, I am now on the git branch main. So to confirm that I can git branch, and now I am on the git branch. It has been highlighted on this green color. I then need to add the remote link where I'll be hosting my code online. Here is the link. I'll go back to my terminal and I'll paste that link, git remote add, and then I'll push the project to the remote server and you'll see the error being generated here. Git push origin uf. For GitLab it's a bit different, main. And then I'll push it and you'll see the error being generated right now. Oh, this is a good example of why anytime that you're pushing your project through protected branches, they will be rejected and they will not be pushed. I will show you how to resolve this error. Remote rejected, all that. Okay, what you gotta do is head over to your repository. Okay, this is my repository. You need to go to, on your left part of your screen, go to settings. It will bring you search options. I need you to click on the repository here, and now you will be brought to this page where you need to click on the protected branches. Somewhere you'll see protected branches. Click on the drop down menu icon, and here you have the branches, the list of the branches that are currently in the repository. So what you're gonna do is click on the unprotect and then unprotect branch, and that should be it. If I go back to the terminal and try to push the project again, it should work. And that is how you resolve it. Another solution that you can employ to solve the error is by creating a new branch and pushing all your changes through that branch. Okay, let's say you have initialized your git in here, and then git add all, and then git branch. I'm going to create a new branch, maybe testing. I'll call my branch testing, and then I'll check out on that branch, git checkout testing. I'm now on the branch testing. I'll then git commit new branch. This is just an example. And if this is a new project, you need to add on the git remote link. Okay, and then you push the project, git push origin uf and then testing, and you should see that there is no error that is appearing on my terminal. Okay, so to wrap it up, remember that this error is about GitLab's permissions, not your machine. You can fix it by either pushing your project on a different branch or by adjusting your project's branch protection settings. Consider subscribing for more straightforward guides like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one, and be productive.